In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove incognito mode in Google Chrome 2025. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on the Windows, then the R key on your computer. And then it is going to open up this application called Run. You can also go ahead and look for it. Anyways, the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and type in reg edit like so, and once you're done with that, go ahead and press on OK just like so, and then it is going to ask you for permission to make changes, so go ahead and just press on yes. But unfortunately my screen was actually black, but once you're done with that, you should see something that looks like this. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and press on this arrow where it says H key local machine. Then we're going to go ahead and locate the option that says software, which is right over here. And then all we're going to be doing is we're going to be scrolling down until we get the option that says policies. Okay, yeah, here is the option that says policies. It should be right underneath partner. Go ahead and press on it like so. All right, then you want to go ahead and right click where it says policies and press on this option that says new and go ahead and select on key. We're going to be naming this key Google like so. Make sure you write it correctly and make sure that you do include the capital letter G. Once you're done with that, go ahead and press on enter. Then go ahead and right click on Google again. This time we're going to go ahead and press on new and then press on key one more time. Then we're going to go ahead and just write out Chrome. Again, it's really important that you spell everything correctly and of course that you do include the capitalization. All right, once you're done with that, then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and right click on this like empty screen that we have over here because we're going to be adding some text. So go ahead and press on new and select on this option that says D word 32-bit value. Then all you want to do is you want to name this keyword Incognito mode availability. You want to make sure that you do spell everything correctly because if you do mess up the spelling, then it will not work. So let's go ahead and just write it out really quickly. So let me go ahead and just double check that everything is correct. All right, so once you confirm that it is spelled correctly, you can go ahead and press on enter in order to save those changes. Then go ahead and right click on the incognito mode availability, the one that we did just make, and then go ahead and press on modify. Then where it says value data, change it from 0 and make sure you enter in a 1. Once you're done with that, then you can go ahead and press on this button that says OK. You don't need to go ahead and mess around with anything else. So you just press on OK. And then once you're done with that, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and close out of it and restart your computer in order for the changes to actually be made. So I'll be right back with you guys. And now whenever we try to access the incognito mode, you will notice that it will no longer give us that option. It is literally just gray. So there's literally nothing we could do. But at any point in time, if you want to go ahead and get incognito mode again, all you need to do is press on Windows and R like we did previously. Make sure you do type in reg edit. Then it's going to ask you if it can make changes. So go ahead and press on yes. And then it is going to bring us the work that we did previously. So all you want to do basically is you want to locate policies and then you want to locate this over here where it says Google. And then you want to go ahead and press on delete. And then once you deleted that, all you need to do is restart your device. And then you should have access to incognito mode once again. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.